Hello, App Store reviewers. This is Eric. I'm the product owner of this application, and I wanted to give you a walkthrough of it since I understand that um, it may be hard to test this application since it is dependent on having our POS device on the local network. So let's launch up our Crashlytics build of OrderPad. This is the same version that's in production that's being submitted. 1.0.2. So this is our POS login screen. It could be one of two screens. It could be our traditional login, which you see here, or a quick pin sign-in. So we have two views on this. This application is made for servers, waitresses, waiters that will take this application or the iPad with this application up to the table and essentially create an order. We've seen it in different use cases as well. One of the big ones is queue busting. So when there's a really long lunch line, you could start gathering orders for people while also they're in a line for payment, similar to like what you see at In-N-Out Burger at a drive-through line when it's really busy. There's always a guy taking orders, and then you go to a separate window to pay, and then you go to a separate window to actually get your food. So let's create an order at a table here. And then we could add discounts, so we could say a 5% discount because the restaurant made an error. We could print like a ticket for paying the bill. I don't know if you heard that, but that was the receipt printer going. We could send these items to the kitchen or to their necessary preparation printers. Like say one goes to the kitchen for like pasta, another one goes to a cold prep area for salad or hummus. There's this little order details icon where we could add the name of the individual. So I'm serving myself. We could move the table, so we can move it from main dining 4 to main dining 3. We could apply that. We could also change the servers, change it to Flynn. We could also change the guest count. Also, let me show you, we could switch the type, so we could switch from delivery, dine-in, or takeout here. There's also a search function. So say there's no beer on the menu, so maybe lemonade or lemon water. You could search and add items there. We could send that to its applicable printer. There's also the custom items function, so just like a $2 custom item, we could add that. If we want to as well, we could just void the ticket, and that's that. So we also have the order queue. We could make a new order from the order queue, or we could pull up an order for editing from the queue. Here is a thing for online orders. There is a hook for the online ordering system on our POS. It also displays on the iPad. And yeah, that's really about it from the functionality. It's very simple. We could do a filter here on our queue, so I could only see orders displayed by me. But it serves one purpose and one purpose only, and that's to make a restaurant more agile and faster, and give a server an extra minute or two to upsell a bottle of wine at a table, or to move on to the next table because it's very busy. Please do not hesitate to contact me. On the submission will be my contact details. If you do require a POS for testing, I have no problem with sending one over to you. So please let me know. Thank you very much.